When it comes to niche selection, there are three things that we need to take into account. First, we need to find an area that you enjoy. This is not the same as passion, and I'm going to be talking about this shortly, but you do need to enjoy working in this area enough for it to be a sustainable endeavor, something that you can continue to do. Second, you need to find something that you're good at. It's not enough just to enjoy it. Maybe you like playing tennis, but that's not necessarily going to be your career. That's not necessarily going to be something that brings you money unless you are good at it. So we need something that you enjoy doing, but also something that you are good at doing. Third, we need something that also intersects with the market need. So think of this as three circles intersecting. We have something you're good at, something that you enjoy doing, and something for which there is a market. If we can get in the middle of these three, this is the sweet spot which allows us to build a business basically on anything that fits these criteria. I'm going to be going into each of these in more detail in the next few videos, including some exercises about how we work out what topics we should be looking at in this niche. If you already have a business, you might be thinking, well, this isn't really relevant to me, this is my product. But as we've talked about before, your product might not be the right thing for this particular market. There may be a variation of what you do, which is going to be more appropriate in the online world. So think with an open mind for now, go through the process anyway. Try not to fit your current product and service offering into this, but I understand the inclination to do so. If you don't have a product, fantastic. We're going to be starting with a blank slate, so you won't have any preconceived notions. So you'll be able to go through the following exercises from scratch with an open mind and be able to hone in on what sits between what you like, what you're good at, and what there's a market for. So wherever you are right now, please do go through this exercise, and we'll be using this to hone in on the particular niche that you're going to be focusing on in your online business.